Do you want Cloud 3.7 feel like a personal assistant built just for you? In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your profile, add your business details, and define your personal experiences so that Cloud responds in a way that fits your needs. So let's get started. Overview of Cloud 3.7 settings. Cloud 3.7 comes with settings where you can teach it about yourself and what you do, plus how you want it to respond in case you insert any prompt. This makes conversations more faster, smoother, and more helpful. You go to Google, let's type in Cloud 3.7, link is in the description. You can just use the link below. And let's head over to the Cloud 3.7 soonest. We need to sign in. I'm already signed in. Let me head over to the sidebar and let's click the profile icon right here. When we click the profile icon, what we're gonna see is the personal free plan, and here is an option to upgrade our plan. We have the settings, we have learn more, get help, download apps, all the Cloud apps. Here is the option of logout. We're interested in settings. Let's hit settings, and yeah, this is the profile. Here you can insert your full name, your first name and last name. For instance, for me, my name is David. There is this option. What should we call you? 1B. Right. What best describes your work? Let me look. Engineering, human resource, finance, marketing, sales, operations, data science, design. Let me just select other. Then what personal preference should Cloud consider in our response? So since I'm a content creator, I'll have to insert this. Help me with content ideas, suggest posts, captions, and remind me of our social media trends. Be friendly, positive, and explain things step by step. Recommend self-improvement books and share wellness tips, and summarize the latest tech news. Remind me to take breaks every after 90 minutes and suggest quick mindfulness exercises. Then in case I'm done, I'll just tap update profile. So it's updating. So the account preferences have been updated. When we head further, we can see Cloud capabilities. These are the artifacts. If we want, we can enable them, but by default they are enabled. So the prompt examples help us to see the examples to help us get started. Then CSV suggestions. We can connect to GitHub if you want to use this AI for coding and all that, so that we can add relevant files and context in our chat. So when we tap connect, it will connect with our GitHub. You log in right here and you connect if you're a programmer, if you already have an account, or you can create an account right here. Alright, heading over to the preferences. Let's head over to preference. You can choose a color mode, either light or the system is in dark, or dark itself. Then here is where we can choose the chat font. We have the default match system. You can use this font, or I can leave it to default. Then here is the billing. So here is where we can subscribe to Pro, but before subscribing you can read through. Alright, let's try to subscribe and see. So here is where you can subscribe. You enter your name, your location, you select your location, and now your address and your card number if you're using Visa or MasterCard. Then the expiry date and CVC, the security code. Then you subscribe. It's $20 per month. You can team up with Cloud. Now if we team up with Cloud, everything in Pro, we will get everything in Pro, higher user limits, early access to new collaborations and features. Then we have the central billing and administration. We can name our team right here, and we continue. This section is the account. We can either log out, or we can delete the account, or export our data. Then we have the feature preview, where we have the analysis tool. So when we head over to charts in our sidebar, we can search our charts. We can select from the list of our charts. We want to start a new chart, obviously. After setting everything up, Cloud will use your preferences in all the conversations. Let me show you an example. And when I type in hi, it is replying that, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" I'll be happy to help you with content ideas to give you the most relevant suggestions. Good afternoon, Wambitech. Yeah, this is right. Okay, what do you know about me? I don't know much about you specifically, as we're just starting our conversation. I can see you set some preferences for our interaction that include helping with content ideas and social media related assistance, providing wellness tips on book recommendations, offering tech news and summaries, reminding you about taking breaks and suggesting mindfulness exercises. Beyond these preferences, I don't have any personal information about you. I can access your name, location, browsing history, and other personal details unless you choose to share them with me. So when I click right here, there are different modes. We have a normal, concise. Alright, let me just type in Instagram ideas. So these are the Instagram ideas. Then these are the caption ideas. This is decent. So in conclusion, we can apply these custom settings anywhere. So we can apply these custom settings anywhere. And the best part is, you can go back and update these settings anytime, so that Cloud keeps on evolving with your needs. Take a few minutes to customize your settings and see how helpful Cloud AI is. And yeah, let me know about your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.